Maintaining a healthy diet is crucial for overall well-being, and being mindful of the foods we consume plays a key role in this process. While many products on grocery store shelves may appear appealing and convenient, some can actually be harmful to our health over time. In today's video, we'll delve into 15 foods that you should avoid to safeguard your health. These foods, despite their popularity and tempting flavors, can have detrimental effects on your body when consumed regularly. By uncovering their hidden dangers, we aim to equip you with the knowledge to make better, more informed dietary choices. Join us as we explore why these common foods might be undermining your health and discover healthier alternatives to support your well-being. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what you should steer clear of to maintain a balanced and nutritious diet. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats, like sausages, bacon, and ham, often come loaded with preservatives, sodium, and fats that are not doing your body any favors. Regularly indulging in these meats can up your risk for serious health concerns, including heart disease and certain cancers. Rather than reaching for that deli slice, why not consider fresher, leaner protein sources? Incorporating options like chicken breast, turkey, or even plant-based proteins can make a significant difference in your health, offering both flavor and nutrition without the added baggage of harmful substances. Remember, it's all about making choices that benefit your body in the long run. 2. Sugary cereals. Sugary cereals may catch your eye with their bright boxes and fun characters, but don't let them fool you. Packed with high levels of added sugars and artificial ingredients, these breakfast options are far from the best way to start your day. Consuming them can lead to quick energy spikes, followed by an inevitable crash, not to mention long-term health implications such as weight gain and a higher risk for type 2 diabetes. For a morning meal that truly fuels your body, opt for cereals that are rich in whole grains and low in added sugars. This simple switch can significantly improve your breakfast routine, ensuring you kickstart your day on the right note. 3. Diet sodas. Diet sodas may seem like a guilt-free pleasure with their 0 calories tag, but they're a wolf in sheep's clothing. These beverages are sweetened with artificial sweeteners, which can trick your body into craving more sweet foods and disrupt your natural hunger signals. Studies have found that regular consumption of diet sodas could be linked to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. If you're craving something fizzy, consider sparkling water infused with natural fruit flavors as a refreshing and helpful alternative. This way, you can satisfy your carbonation cravings without compromising your health goals. 4. Margarine. Margarine has long been touted as a heart-healthy substitute for butter, but it's crucial to scrutinize the label before you spread. Many varieties are laden with trans fats, a notorious ingredient linked to numerous health issues, including heart disease and increased inflammation. In your quest for a healthier spread, opt for versions of margarine that are free from trans fats and made with wholesome, natural ingredients. Better yet, consider alternatives such as grass-fed butter or spreads derived from olive or avocado oil, which offer a host of health benefits and keep your meals both delicious and nutritious. 5. Pre-packaged fruit snacks. Pre-packaged fruit snacks might appear as a quick and nutritious grab-and-go option, but they're often more deceiving than you think. Many of these snacks come loaded with added sugars, along with a mix of artificial flavors and preservatives, which can do more harm than good. These added ingredients detract from the nutritional value you get from eating fresh fruits, leading to unnecessary spikes in your blood sugar levels. Instead, embrace the goodness of nature by choosing fresh fruits or crafting your own fruit snacks at home. By doing so, you can control the ingredients, ensuring you are nourishing your body with pure, wholesome goodness. 6. Microwave popcorn. Microwave popcorn might be a go-to for snuggle-up movie nights, but it often harbors not-so-cozy additives like artificial butter flavoring and an excessive amount of sodium. The convenience of that pre-packaged snack comes with a side of health concerns, including the presence of trans fats. For a heartier and health-conscious alternative, try popping your own kernels at home. This simple switch lets you control the toppings so you can season with a dash of sea salt or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a satisfying, guilt-free treat. 7. Frozen meals. Frozen meals might be the pinnacle of convenience, especially on those hectic days when time is scarce. However, it's worth taking a closer look at the labels of these quick fixes. Many are brimming with sodium and unhealthy fats, not to mention lacking in the fresh nutrients your body craves. This combination can lead to not-so-great health outcomes if they become a staple in your diet. The good news: you can find alternatives that focus on whole foods and minimal processing, or better yet, consider setting aside a bit of time for meal prepping with fresh ingredients. It's a great way to ensure you're feeding your body right while still accommodating your busy schedule. 8. Canned soups. Canned soups might seem like the epitome of convenience for a quick meal fix, but take a moment to peer behind the curtain of their ready-to-eat allure. Many varieties are swimming in sodium and filled with artificial enhancers, which isn't the best news for your heart or hydration levels. Instead of settling for these salt-laden options, why not venture into making your own soups with fresh, wholesome ingredients? If you're pressed for time, keep an eye out for canned soups labeled low sodium and free from added preservatives. This small but mighty switch can elevate your soup game to new healthful heights. 9. White bread. While white bread might be a familiar comfort food, it's made with refined grains that lack the nutritional benefits of their whole grain counterparts. This can lead to an increase in blood sugar levels and contribute to a cycle of hunger and overeating. Switching to whole grain bread can provide your body with essential fiber and nutrients, keeping you satisfied longer and supporting overall health. Exploring bread made from alternative flours, such as almond or coconut, can also offer unique flavors and health benefits, making your meals both interesting and nutritious. 10. Vegetable oils. Navigating the world of cooking oils can feel like a maze, but it's crucial to know that not all oils are created equal. While vegetable oils such as soybean, corn, and canola are kitchen staples, they're also high in omega-6 fatty acids, tipping the balance toward inflammation. This imbalance is linked to various health concerns. For your cooking adventures, switch to heart-friendly alternatives like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. These healthier options can elevate your dishes, ensuring your meals are not only delicious, but also nurturing for your body. 11. Flavored yogurts. Flavored yogurts might seem like a healthful treat, but they often hide a less savory truth. Many brands add a hefty dose of sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives to their products, which can derail your health goals. Instead of falling for these sugary pitfalls, choose plain, unsweetened yogurt. It serves as a blank canvas for your favorite add-ins, allowing you to sweeten the deal naturally with fresh fruits or a drizzle of honey. This switch not only cuts down on unnecessary additives, but also puts you in charge of your snack's flavor profile and nutritional value. 12. Energy drinks. Energy drinks might offer a quick energy boost, but they come at a cost to your health. Loaded with excessive caffeine and sugars, these drinks can disrupt your sleep patterns and may lead to a jittery feeling or anxiety. Over time, reliance on energy drinks for a quick pick-me-up can strain your heart and affect your overall well-being. For a healthier lift, consider natural alternatives like a cup of green tea or a refreshing smoothie made from whole fruits. These options provide a more balanced and sustainable source of energy without the adverse side effects associated with energy drinks. 13. Artificial sweeteners. Turning to artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin may seem like a savvy way to sidestep sugar's downsides, but tread carefully. While aiming to cut calories, these sweet substitutes can paradoxically lead to weight gain and intensify cravings for sugary treats. They're also known to disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, which plays a crucial role in your overall health. For those looking to sweeten their meals or beverages without the drawbacks, natural sweeteners such as stevia, honey, or maple syrup offer a more health-conscious choice in moderation. 14. Instant noodles. Instant noodles may be a staple for those on the go or looking to save a few dollars, but they're not doing your health any favors. Packed with sodium and unhealthy fats, these quick meals compromise your nutritional needs. By choosing whole grain noodles or whipping up a batch of noodles with fresh veggies and lean proteins, you'll not only satisfy your hunger, but also nourish your body in the way it truly deserves. 15. Store-bought smoothies. Though they might seem like a wholesome beverage choice, store-bought smoothies often disguise a less healthy reality. These convenient drinks can be overflowing with added sugars and lack the fiber and nutrients present in homemade versions. For a truly nutritious smoothie, blend your own at home using whole fruits, vegetables, and natural ingredients. This approach lets you enjoy the vibrant flavors and health benefits without the unnecessary extras found in pre-made versions. Thanks for watching our video. We hope these health tips have inspired you to make positive changes. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.